Hello, my name is Anthony Fitzgerald from NHS Doncaster, and I'm going to give an update on the latest progress of the COVID-19 vaccination programme across our town. First of all, I'm delighted to say that since the 15th of December, over 62,000 people have received their first dose of vaccination. And we're increasingly confident that our first 4 priority cohorts will have been offered a vaccination by the 15th of February. That includes anybody over the age of 70, any residents or workers within our elderly care homes, and our extremely clinically vulnerable people. And we're also really pleased that over 17,000 frontline health and social care workers have received their first dose of vaccination. That not only includes our frontline workers within hospitals and general practice, but also our care home workers, dentists, optometrists and pharmacists across our borough. I'd like to thank the hospital hubs at Doncaster Royal Infirmary and our Mental Health and Community Trust at Ardash, who have administered such an important and crucial programme to our frontline workers. And so we want to ensure that nobody is left behind. And some residents may have received a letter over the course of the last week inviting them to book an appointment for a vaccine if they haven't already received it. And that can happen a couple of ways. First of all, there is the opportunity to book online or using the 119 number, and the opportunity to take up a vaccination at South Yorkshire and Bassetlaws mass vaccination site over at Sheffield Arena. And over 1,400 people across our town have taken that opportunity. Or you will still be able to receive a vaccination locally at one of our 5 vaccination sites. And to do so, you can contact your practice to book an appointment accordingly. Please only contact your practice if you fall under those 4 cohorts that I mentioned earlier, and if you haven't yet received your first dose of vaccination. And there's more information on the CCG website, which will go out with this video. So we now want to move on to our second stage of our vaccination programme, and that will take two elements. The first will be, we'll make sure that anybody who has received their first dose of vaccine will receive their second. And you will be contacted by your practice to organise an appointment for that second dose of vaccine 12 weeks after your first. And the second part of the programme is we want to now move into other cohorts of people and our residents across the borough. And that will start with people aged 65 to 70. And when we receive more government advice on rollout to other cohorts of our residents, we'll get on with that programme accordingly. And you will be contacted by your practice to book an appointment. As ever, we need your help on combating this terrible virus and ensuring that the vaccination programme is a success. We are really pleased that the vast majority of our residents have taken up the opportunity to receive their vaccine and kept their appointment to do so, often in difficult winter conditions, and I'd like to thank you very much for that. Secondly, we must continue to follow public health guidance while the vaccination programme is rolled out. So hands, face, space must still be be applied, and please continue to follow the advice that is given. We must protect our frontline health and social care workers, and it's to them that I'd like to give particular thanks for the continued hard work that is being applied during this process. Thank you to all the staff across a number of organisations who have helped administer vaccine, and also to a myriad of volunteers who have also been crucial to this programme. Thank you very much. Please stay safe.